This might be the realest shit I ever wrote. You already know, Punchline King. सबसे हम अलग थे पर पीछे रहे शर्म से, दर्द भरा पन्नों पे अब गाने लगते गजल है। नींद का निशान नहीं बदलते रहे करवटे, हिम्मत करी उड़ने की अब चाहे मेरे पर कटे। मिलाते हाथ पर आंखों में हम उनकी खटकते, मैरिड टू द गेम साइड बिच देखी नहीं चरस में। जिंदगी जी असूलों पे ताकि नहीं कोई दखल दे, इंसान देख परख ले पहचाने सब फर्क है। जब लफ्ज निकले हलक से लिखाई ईश्वर है फलक मेरी पलक पे। क्यों कहा खुद को अश्वत्थामा गलत रहा गए तभी बिना मकसद भटकते बातें गहरी।
So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are just gonna talk about 21 days challenge. You might be thinking, how did I just came up with this idea of 21 days challenge all of a sudden? I was just watching a random video on YouTube channel and all of a sudden a random thought came up in my mind. I'm having the whole day. If I want, I can just learn skills and put my all time into productivity. But guess what? I'm just wasting my time and procrastinating. And I just need to stop this because
How we spend our days is how we spend our lives, and if that's the case, I'm just wasting my life.
And again, after wasting all of my time, I was just full of regrets and I just can't let this happen. I'm just really excited to follow this 21 days challenge because I'm not alone in this race. I have two more seniors featuring this video and the 21 days challenge. They are Tarun Speaks and Ajay Raj. If you don't know them, let me give you a short introduction about them. College. So Tarun is in third year of College of Engineering at IIT Kharagpur. He's doing his mechanical engineering there, and Ajay Raj is in his fourth year of College of Engineering at DTU. I will be giving their channels link in the description. I will suggest you to check out their channel because they have some dope editing skills. The habits which I'm gonna include in my 21 days challenge, I'm not gonna include a lot of habits. It will be just 2 to 3. Though I work out sometimes, but there is no consistency in my workout, so I'm gonna work out every day, including one day of rest. The second habit which I'm gonna include is sleeping at 11:30 and taking 8 hours of sleep. Last habit which I'm gonna include is 1 hour of reading books. Now you might be thinking like which book I'm reading. So basically I'm reading this Atomic Habit book, and to be honest, I've bought this book first time in my life to read. I'm not into reading books and all so much, so I want this to be habit and I'm gonna keep it in my 21 days challenge. Now you might be thinking, why just 21 days? This is because
और ईगो के नुकसान बहुत हैं, पर एक फ़ायदा है, चीज़ें डूएबल लगने लगती हैं। और ये ड्रामा ज़्यादा दिन नहीं करना। कितने दिन? 21 दिन। 21 दिन में कोई भी आदत लग जाती है, कोई भी आदत छूट जाती है। मुझे स्मोकिंग की प्रॉब्लम थी, 2 डब्बे एक दिन में, छूटी ही ना। बस एक दिन छोड़ा, उसके बाद घर, गर्लफ्रेंड, फैकल्टी, ड्राइवर की लुगाई, सबके आगे ढिंडोरा पीट दिया। यहाँ तक कि ठेले वाले को 2000 दे दिए कि सिगरेट पीने नहीं देना है। अब दुनिया के आगे इतना ढिंडोरा पीट दोगे तो दुनिया थोड़ी पीने देगी।
I'm really excited about this 21 days challenge, and by any chance if you also want to be the part of this 21 days challenge, I will be giving the Google form link in the description. You can just go and check out that Google form, and that Google form is not handled by me. I'm just picking up from the Tarun Speaks video, and I will linking up in my description. If you want to fill that form and be the part of 21 days challenge, you can just fill that form. If you want to get featured in his video, you can just fill that form and do this 21 days challenge At this note, let's just end this video here, and if you think you really enjoyed this video or this video was useful for you, you can just consider subscribing my YouTube channel, and I will see you in the
एक
next
दिन सब
video.
घिसते रहे कलम पे, दिल में है डर, अपने गाने हैं लटक रहे, बनी हुई क्लासिक है, तुम बोलो झलक दे, ईगो है फर्श पे खुद से ही संभलते, झेलना जानता आर्टिस्ट हूँ जन्म से, चलू ना चलन से, ऊंची ये पतंग पे भागे थे दूर, अब मेरी ओर सरकते, तभी हम चमकते दिखे, बनाए जो उसका असर है, और चाहे कितना भी हो जाऊं मैं सही की तरफ में, मेरा पहले से पलंग एक दर्ज है नरक में।